is checking it right now, making sure everything is okay. You just need to adjust something. Gosh, so scared. Our smoke detectors start alarming, and that's the start of it. Babalik kami sa dock. Ayusin yung usok na part. Back to the dock. Alam niyo mga loves, God is good talaga kasi hindi niya hinayaan na makalaot kami bago namin mapansin yung usok sa loob. Meanwhile, while my husband is looking for the store to get the hose that need to be replaced, I spotted this cute seal and birds just chilling. Thank you, Lord, we're back to the action. We had like 3 hours delayed of going to Catalina Island, but yeah, God is good that my husband was able to fix the issue in our phone, which back to the action. We're still going to Catalina Island because the hose got fixed already and no more smoke coming out of our engine. Ice craft. Good thing I didn't get seasick this time. I'm just a little sleepy, but I was able to get out of it. It will take us 4 hours to get to Catalina Island, so we're just gonna chill and hope that the time will move so fast.
I'm looking at the wrong place.
I can almost see it, but
I was looking at 4th of July. Cool.
when we get back, I'll clean it again with vinegar. When we get back to San Pedro.
We're having a conference. Now and forever? What's his boat called?
I missed it.
Oh.
Players ready to the rescue.
Indian Rocks in Emerald Bay. Sorry, with the team of
So we're getting ready to tie up to the mooring, and it took us something about like 30 minutes, and it went so smooth. We got here at about 1:30 in the afternoon, and we left the Cavrillo at 9:15 in the morning. So it took us 4 hours to get here. And we found our mooring, and we're assigned to mooring K19. So here I am, helping my husband to tie the mooring. I had to grab that stake, put it up on the deck, and then grab the hook, tie it to the clit, and my husband tied to the back of the boat, and we're all set. And I'm making sure that the hook won't get loose or something, or else we're gonna be back to zero. Okay, it's time to settle down. Landed safe.
Thought it was caught out.
Our friend is still trying the system.
Don't want.
Okay. Let's turn. And tomorrow morning, Brian is coming to the island, and we'll be waiting for him.
You got it. That's a nasty rope, huh? Just keep pulling. No, keep pulling. You're not even close.
Some fresh veggies. Look at that. Okra, bell pepper, sprouts, Brussels sprouts. And he's making some ribs over there. Yum. My husband is in the island of Catalina.
I need more sauce.
Yeah.
You have it?
I'll open the other one.
A plate so I can eat the sound.
The chef. Trying his best. Smells good. It smells good.